Hoot, hoot. It's so good. Yeah, that's perfect. Yeah. I need to do. Think you'd take a bathroom break. I mean, me and Aiden had like a 20-minute span where it was just dead silence. I do need to use my quiet keyboard though, because the Discord filters out the key clicks. YouTube does not, or OBS rather does not. So it's just like click, 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 click. All right, gotta move my sody cans. No, I get you, man. I also still don't feel 100%. Like, I'm still a little bit sick, which is why I'm opting to do the stream rather than a proper video. But I'll pay attention. I'll be a good student. All right, is everything connected? Nope. I guess I'll use the cable. All right, and there we go. I have my nice little Keychron keyboard. I love this Keychron keyboard. It's so good. I should have done this before I started the stream, because all that's on stream now is I doubt you can hear it because Discord's really good about filtering it out, but OBS is just hearing my desk get hit repeatedly with my keyboard. Yeah. That's fine. Dude, it's streaming, man. It doesn't have to be like... Yeah, don't worry about it. Also, wow, 34 new subscribers since I started in January. No, let me pop out chat though, so I can, if anyone does pop in. Usually Chase pops in and just chills for a little bit. Oh, can you not hear him? Oh, they can't even hear you. Oh, my desktop audio is muted. There we go.
Oh, who's on the chat?
Chase was asking in group chat.
Oh.
Yeah, he pops in every now and again. He's a real one.
He's the real OG.
Also, I have to set it to live chat because it will filter him out for some reason, even though he's the only one talking.
He's a bot.
He's a bot. Yep.
We have Chase bot.
Let's see what else. Oh, the thing I wanted to ask you about the support thing, right? Is because I can't go to tyler-sims.com on Edge, or so I thought. It's more specifically, I can't go to tyler-sims.com on my profile on Edge. If I swap over to work, which I don't know why it's called work, it's actually my edu email. If I go to tyler-sims.com, it goes to the website. It doesn't seem to be live, though. It's not the one Oh, you know what? I didn't actually update my files last night. That's why. I didn't actually push my changes. I was so sick last night, dude. I got on. I made like 2 edits in CSS, and then somehow just rambled on about that for 5 minutes. And then I didn't even push the changes. Jeez. I guess I'll go ahead and do that now. Oh, I'm not.
It is kind of cool about like running your own server technically from scratch in a sort of way.
Yeah, it's great. It's really and it's pretty cheap, relatively speaking. Because before my yearly expenses was $144,
Hmm.
and I had no say on the template, and you had to pay more just to get
Like the developer mode, right?
yeah. In this, it's I think grand total, including the domain name, is $60 a year.
So do you have that JSON file and everything? I haven't looked
Yeah,
back at anything, but that's still just a JSON file that exists on the client or on the server. It's not like an actual like endpoint delivery.
right. It's just it's just a local file from the server's
Yeah, that's
perspective,
fine.
and it's been doing what it's needed to do.
Yeah, I mean that's fine. That's fine until it needs to get bigger.
Yeah, that's one of the critical issues. That if I want to expand it, I have to, go in there and manually do it on
Hmm.
top of adding the files for it. And the way I have it set up, I have a plugin for Unity where you can download these scripts from the website directly. So to add that though, I have to add it in both the project files.json and the index.js because I couldn't figure out how to get it working independently for some reason.
Say that one more time.
No.
Oh, okay.
I don't think I
You
explained it well, and I don't think I'm going to explain it very well a second time. Um,
you have it working in one place, but you don't have it and you also have to update it in index.js.
I have it in two files, essentially. One
Okay.
file the Unity plugin reaches out to, and the other file
Hmm.
the server uses. But they're basically identical files, which is not ideal.
Anyway, you could get it like the Unity one pointing to the same file as the
Oh,
server, or vice
absolutely. I
versa.
just don't know how.
Hmm. Okay.
Yeah, I just don't have the specific skill set at the moment.
Okay. Where did
Chase
you?
reporting for duty. Wow, 121 subs. Yeah. Yeah, man, 121 subscribers. That's pretty that's pretty awesome. It's it's so weird because, I don't interact with these people very often cuz not many people leave comments, but when it does, that's it's actually pretty nice. It's pretty great. That it does really help with inspiring even if they don't directly say like, hey, can you do this project? They'll say things in a way that inspire projects, like the whole website thing with the
Hmm.
reaching out with a plugin. That was from someone saying, hey, can you put these files on GitHub? I was like, I can do one almost as good. I should put them on GitHub repo just in case.
Yeah, probably really really good.
Let me see what I have on my GitHub. I have a few things on there. Like, I think the Frogs game is on there. I used to update my Jim Jam library on there, but you know how when you learn something new and then you go back to how you used to do it and you're like, man, that's a really
Why?
bad way of doing it.
It's like why even? Yeah, I was looking at some code like that today.
That's
Just
how I
like
feel about the old Jim Jam library. It's just so out of date that I just need to refresh it entirely.
it's like come on, man, you're better than this. And it's just like but not back then.
Yeah, not
Uh,
back then.
I just now popped open the stream on my other tab just to see how I sounded. I am very monotone. I didn't realize. Wow, that's kind of depressing. I thought I was better than that.
Yeah, I
Oh
mean,
well.
a lot of people like the monotone. I used to. Let me see. Hold on. Let me try and remember what year it was. But I used to. I've tried making YouTube videos for years now, and I used to try to make Let's Play videos. And the one thing they liked about it, because I would talk really soft and kind of monotone like that, and
Hmm.
people love it. People love that voice. So you might be like a. You know how Anthony is more popular than Linus on Linus Tech Tips?
I didn't actually.
Oh, I like him more.
Oh, fair enough, I guess.
But and a lot of people love him. It's all in good fun, no one's hating on Linus. It's not they're not loving Anthony at the expense of Linus. I hope I'm getting his name right. I might actually not because I haven't kept up with him very much. You might end up being that. You might be filling that role.
Oh,
Oh man, I have a lot of videos. I need to. I think I should go through these because Magic Menu. That's actually a pretty good idea. I should remake that because it's a good idea. Just not the greatest execution. Credits controller was also really good. I think that I still think that was a pretty good development wise too. I think it was pretty decent.
Oh shoot, my glasses are ready for pickup. Wish they sent me that, before they closed. Oh, okay, that's a future hunter problem.
Oh my gosh, the environment test. I forgot about this. This is like old Morningwood. Dang.
That's some phrasing.
Yeah, I
Anyway.
know. People like the name surprisingly, and they don't. And I haven't really heard people associate it with. It is a joke. It is it's a perverted joke. But I do think I do think people are very easily able to look past that and look at it as just as the game, which is really cool. That wasn't my intention. It was supposed to be completely dirty from the get go, but but yeah. Oh, that brings back some memories. That was in, I believe, January of 20. I think it was December. Is sometime between November and December of 2019, because I moved back at the end of December, just before 2020. I moved back to my sister's house. So yeah, it had to be around then. That's pretty cool.
I think it was like beginning of 2020 because it was like right after I think we had moved out of the apartment, and that was early 2020.
Oh, I could have just looked at the upload date. November 27th.
Of 2019. Okay, I just remember like testing it because you were like, I need Mac testers. I was like, well, I got a Mac and I was over at my parents.
Yeah, that was I
was
believe that
much
was
later.
yeah, that was much later. The testing let's see. Cuz I didn't have a main menu until February apparently. And the Morningwood prototype came out in April. Good times. This is just nostalgia stream for myself. Oh, what was I doing? I thought this looked good. Oh my gosh, the materials. You can walk through walls. Oh my gosh.
Disappear and fly.
Yeah. What is this? Is this the one where it's in the house? That's the old menu. Yep. You're in the like weird little checkerboard asylum house. And it was still 3D model weapons for some reason. I don't think all the pickups work exactly. Oh my gosh. I thought I was making something with this. And it's cool, don't get me wrong. Cause cause people are starting out making stuff like this, but like I was a little too hot for my own good. I was like, oh yeah, this is looking great. That really puts in perspective what I'm like doing now. Like, is it good or did I just or am I giving myself too much credit? Dang. Yeah, that does not look good at all. Oh my gosh. What? 2,400 views. When did this? Easy way to make pixelated 2D sprites using 3D models. Alright, I forgot about this. Wow. That's actually probably my most popular video. It's not listed though, so I don't really count it. But I should probably relist that. Oh, I remember why I unlisted it, because it's outdated.
Oh.
Yeah, there's easier ways to do what I did in the video. But the video where I made a more upgraded version of that has like a fraction of the views. Oh well, it's all good. Are you still folding laundry?
No, I've been done.
Oh, well, let's get started.
Did I forget to say it? Probably.
I don't.
Sorry.
Okay, well, let's get started, man. I've been just looking around at my old videos.
Oh, you're good. Memory lane and all.
Okay, first of all, I want to kind of figure out this issue of I can't go to my own page, like on my normal Edge profile. Like, what is up with that? What is it storing that is preventing it from actually going to the website? Because
So
it's
when you
not just me, which is a big problem. If it was just me, I wouldn't care as much. But my boss can't access this website either, and it made me look like a fool in a call. Yeah, that was not fun.
try to go to it real quick. I just want to see what it does.
It just goes to this, can't reach this page. Here, I'll send it to you so you can see it faster than waiting on the stream. And if I try running the diagnostic tool, nothing happens. It just says troubleshooting, couldn't find it. And it says DNS probe finished in X domain.
But if you use other browsers, it does work, or is it just?
If I switch profiles on the same browser, it works.
Mm-hmm.
Kind of. Oh, I didn't upload the CSS file. Man, I need to automate this. I'm just using FileZilla and dragging the files over whenever it changes.
Yeah,
fix it
no,
either.
I can see the stream's actually kind of up to date.
Yeah, the Firefox one works. What is up? Is it just an Edge issue?
So hit Control Shift I.
Control Shift I.
Oh yeah. Okay, the stream is actually quite delayed. Can you also stream on Discord?
I can try. It might freak out a little bit.
Well, we're gonna have fun with that then. We'll see.
Let me. Is there anything I can close? Slack. I think that's the only thing I can close right now. Unity Hub, I can close that. Close OBS.
I'm also interested in what it could be.
All right. Screen one. Better text readability. That'd be fine. Oh, that is not juicy.
All right, this should be quick though. So hit hold down on the refresh arrow.
Holding. Empty cache and hard refresh?
Yep. Give it a shot.
Nope.
Go to network.
Going to network. Status failed.
What does it say when you click on it?
Queued 0, started at 0, and it stalled.
That's just gonna give you a go to headers. Tab underneath where you see timing.
Oh, there it is. User agent is Mozilla 5.0, Windows NT 10, WebKit, Chrome. Provisional headers are shown. Strict origin when cross origin. Request HT. Yeah, weird. I don't know what a single one of these things mean. That's what's weird about it.
Do this. Try taking the S off of your website name.
The S?
Off the HTTP S.
Oh yeah, I think I've tried this too.
Okay, click on it again.
On.
Because it looks like it's. Okay, no, it's still failing. Interesting. You know what? I'm guessing it's serving it over port 8080 for the standard HTTP.
Hey.
Okay, we'll just give it a shot. Click back up there on the URL and take off the HTTPS again.
Oh, it's not even there. It's just the www dot. Let me take that off. Nope.
Even better. Take off the HTTPS again, and then just do colon 8080 at the end, and see if it's serving over that port.
Oh.
Well, let's see. What you have here is a real peculiar problem. Why did I do that in a real southern accent? I don't know.
Yeah.
Yeet.
What is it? Like? It's just weird that it's only on this profile. Like it can run on Edge. like just fine if I open a new tab and
when you hit by the way, it's port 80, not 8080. I'm sorry about that. Go back up there and take off the additional 80.
nope.
Okay.
Nope. Oh wait, that. Oh, hold on. I take the S off, and then do that.
And then just do 80.
Nope. Nothing.
Okay, but okay. So if you do the actual IP address,
Yeah, that works, and it's up to date.
interesting. Okay, so it's definitely a DNS issue.
Let me go to my Squarespace thing real quick, because like, so would the name servers have anything to do with DNS?
Do what?
Would the name servers have anything to do with the DNS?
Yes.
Do
you know what DNS stands for?
Do not. I don't know. No, I don't know.
It stands for domain name server.
Okay. Oh, okay. Well then, yeah. So it's using custom name servers, and it's going through NS1 through ns5.lino.com.
See. Give me 1 second. Roommate just asked if there was a package delivered. I'll be right back.
Okay. Let me go. I don't know how much I can show from my Linode thing safely. I'm sure it's fine. Oh, no, it's not. I don't know. It's funny. Let's see. What could be the issue? I might just rename this to debugging my website with Hunter.
Alright, I'm back. Alright. So what are we doing? What'd I miss?
Nothing. Is there a way to see what this initiator is? Because it just says other, and it's other on both of them, but I want to know if, like...
Oh, there's a... Here, try this. There's a... internal thing. Go to me on Telegram. I'm sending it over. Copy that and put it into Edge. Even though it says Chrome.
Okay.
And then hit that button.
Hitting that button. I hit it.
Okay. And then I guess go try to do the website again?
Nope.
Well, that sucks.
The status is different. It says canceled this time instead of failed.
Oh, when you click on it, does it do anything different? There's the error inside there. You have to actually click on its name to get the tab. Oh, it seems a little different. Let me make the window bigger. Okay, go back to the headers. Not a brand. Is it even getting an IP address off this? Hit the X next to headers.
Okay.
I think that's where the IP... No, that's coming from... Why is it not getting an IP address?
Oh, that just goes to that. Clear browser cache. cookies. Nope. Did that just log me out of stuff? Was that for like everything? Rip. It was for everything. It was not for just this site. Oh well.
Okay, so go back to that URL I sent you.
Okay. Oops, there we go. What now?
Oh, sorry, I'm watching the YouTube stream again, so I'm just like waiting for you. Okay, hit hit sockets,
Sockets.
and then you'll want to do those.
Both of them?
Yep.
All right.
And then I guess give it a shot again.
Nope.
What a wonderful time to be alive.
What is going on?
I don't know. This is really odd because it's definitely just an Edge thing.
So far, that's been the only browser that, like, I think Chrome works fine, which is weird.
And you have tried ipconfig flush DNS?
Yep. I've tried all those. I thought it was the TTL because it was set to 72 hours through Squarespace, but it's been way more than 72 hours since I did that on, like, Saturday of last week.
Okay, there's apparently a PowerShell thing you can also try.
All right.
It's this one here.
All right. Nope.
Oh, right. Well, it's back to failing at least. This is real weird. It's definitely a DNS thing just for Edge for some reason.
Edge DNS error.
Try doing the long hold on the whatever it's called again.
This? Or
Sorry,
this?
I'm watching the wrong thing again. Yeah, the refresh arrow.
Okay.
Nice. Okay.
Hold on. I gotta rename the stream.
Yeah, tech support with friends.
Yeah. And this is gonna have to count for my video because we're already pretty far over. Oh, I don't have a second screen to go to. No one pay attention to how many values I'm putting in. Don't show password! I almost clicked show password to check if it was right.
Oh, that'd be real bad.
This is not good.
That's why I don't stream.
I'd
forget I was streaming. The next thing you know, it's like, this is hour 4 of him streaming. He has left to go get coffee.
I'm opening the Google app. Oh, it wants like the Google app, not the Google Mail app. Nope, it doesn't give a shit. What the heck?
I'm fine with switching over to doing the Typescript stuff if you want.
Yeah, because this is weird and it's not as easy to fix as I thought it would be.
Weird.
Well, not logging into Google, I guess. Resend it.
Have you tried restarting Edge since we did all this?
Oh, there we go. No, I haven't actually. If I just close it, is that restarting it? Because it like...
I have no idea. I'm about to find out though. Let's see. Task Manager. Is Chase even still watching, or are we bored him to death?
I don't think anyone's watching right now. Oh, there's one person watching, but it's probably you. I stream very often to ghosts. It's more of just to satisfy my own personal need for the programming planner thing.
Yeah, it does look like Edge stays open, so you'll need to you have to kill it.
One second, I gotta fill out my thing real quick. I forgot to do it. Oh, I gotta re-log in. Yay! But it didn't log me out of Twitter, but it did at the same time. Oh my gosh, this is a nightmare. All right, what am I doing?
Yeah, you'll have to. Let's just focus on TypeScript, I guess, for right now.
Yeah.
Well, Learning TypeScript with my friend is more like
Yeah, they probably also logged me out of this, huh? Nope, it did log me out of Linode. That's interesting. Shut the Squarespace. All right, so how do we get started with? Oh wait, I do
okay.
gotta do that
Do
again.
you have npm and Node installed already?
I got npm
I'm pretty
and I have Node.
sure.
Yeah, I have both of them.
Okay.
Okay, let me open up the project in VS Code. Hey, it's already open. Nice.
All right. There's 1,000,001 commands with this, so I'm going to get a nice little side thing pulled up with all the stuff I need. Um,
While you're doing that, oh, he's still here. Sad Mark.
oh,
Sad face.
I didn't see.
I didn't see it either because it just said one person watching, and you said you're looking at the stream, so I didn't. I thought it just weird. Um,
Well, at least now we know that or YouTube viewership has an off by one error. Let's see types.
Maybe you can tell if you're tabbed into the window or not.
Ah, that's a fair point.
But yeah,
All right,
work has
all right.
been pretty great, at least recently. So, I mean, it's
Well,
been
that's
great the
good.
entire time.
That's good.
Yeah.
Okay, so you got your terminal. Okay, cool.
Yep.
So I'm gonna send you
I like
basically
your profile picture, by the way,
which one?
on Telegram.
Ah, dude, Legends is pretty fun.
Yeah.
Like their graphics are pretty crap,
Yeah.
but like
It does look pretty fun. Uh, I've actually been
and
kind
and
of
and
wanting to get it.
and the way Weasel just sits there, he's just like I'm waiting for the bus.
And I didn't know there were like, what's up with? I heard something there's alpha Pokemon, like they're bigger and stronger or something like that.
Yeah, it's like so it's like Breath of the Wild Pokemon Edition or whatever. It's like open world.
Mm-hmm.
So you'll find like little settlements of Pokemon. But then like in the center of that, usually there's like a larger one, either like the evolved form or just a larger one of the one that's already like the species that's already there.
That's pretty cool.
Um, yeah, it's pretty good. I like it. All right, and make sure that it's working. Type mpx space tsc and hit enter.
PX TSC.
Yep, and that just runs TypeScript.
Yep.
Cool. All right, let's see.
Okay. Can I ask a weird question, even though we're, well into the stream?
Yeah.
Um, what's TypeScript?
So TypeScript is JavaScript, but with a lot of like syntactical sugar to make sure you're actually doing something on like an actual object instead of like undefined or whatnot. And
Interesting. Okay.
so you can specify whenever you're like making a function, for example, that this value that I'm getting is going to be a number or a string versus JavaScript's version of I don't know what you're doing.
But it
I
doesn't
guess
affect HTML, right?
no. So TypeScript, it's all what you're gonna be looking at. But whenever you actually compile it, it turns it back into JavaScript.
Okay. Dang. Because I was kind of hoping for a solution of writing a web page like style and backend without having to use HTML because I forgot how awful HTML is.
So I mean, you could do like a front end framework like Angular or like what was the other one that Matt suggested?
I don't remember.
He
I might have
suggested
to because
something.
I am struggling. I'm
I mean, those are
struggling.
it's still going to be HTML. The only other option would be like if you take over the server stack and do something like FreeMarker, where I mean, even then it's still going to be HTML because it's just what all the
All the cool kids use.
I mean, it's just what the browsers run. Every
Like,
browser
why
runs it.
isn't there something like Unity where it has a graphical element where you piece it together and then it just spits out the HTML code for you? I am so sick of doing front end, and I have barely touched it. I have barely dealt with it, and I'm already sick of it.
Yeah, I mean, there's some things that do that for you. Give me 1 second. The dog has something that I don't know what it is.
Okay. Man. Front end developers. They're the real heroes. Oh my god, it's loud. Go. Jeez. Also, I try to watch TikTok on stream. Hurry, Hunter, hurry. I'm getting very bored.
All right, I'm back.
Welcome back.
Thank you. I closed the door, so now the dog's just outside, out of mind, right?
Now what they eat is on them. All right, back to TypeScript. Wowie-ree.
All right. So what you're gonna do is type into your console tsc space dash dash init. Hit enter. You might need to put npx in front of it. Sorry.
Oh dear.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Cool.
All right. So if you go to your new tsconfig.json file, you'll have a lot of settings and a lot of options.
Interesting. Interesting. I can change what the root directory is. Very nice.
Mm-hmm.
Remap imports. Nice, nice. Multiple root directories. Interesting.
Yeah.
I can just disallow JavaScript.
Yeah. Because what it does is you can have you kind of like some languages that have interoperability. Like JavaScript files can still work and run with TypeScript ones because I mean it all turns back into JavaScript in the end.
Mm-hmm.
But if you want to be like extra doubly sure, you can turn off the ability for it to even compile the JavaScript files.
Interesting. So
All
what
right.
do we do with this?
So just so we know for sure, make a new folder, just kind of like just like src, like source.
Okay.
Make sure I'm telling you the right one because there's a lot of settings on TypeScript that look like they would do what I think that they're going to do, and then they do the opposite thing. Set. Okay, and then we're going to make a new folder, also Just make it like distribution or something. So
At root,
dist. Yeah, at root.
DST or DIST.
Dist.
All right.
And then inside of your tsconfig file, look for out directory or outdir, and then just specify for your and then make it dist.
Is it just slash dist or does it need a dot? Dot is
No,
for
so that's
parent.
dot is for
Or
here.
dot is for here. Two
Yeah,
dots is
so
for parent.
yeah.
Okay.
Dot steps up. So dot / targets here, and then yeah.
Gotcha. So just the slash goes all the way up to root though.
hmm
So it would still technically work, right? Because this is root, or is it go to like root like
It would
in
probably go
like
to it would,
in
yeah, it would probably go to root in your system.
oh in the server? Okay. Yeah, I don't want that. Okay, that makes sense.
So that's the distribution. Okay, so root directory, root dir. That one will just be source.
Okay. Oops. Control R. Root dir. Oh, it was right. It was right below it. Ah, where am I? Oh no, it wasn't. It was in your module. It was up here. Okay.
All right, and then that
That's
one
what
should be your source. All right, save that real quick, and then let's go test it out. Make a file under source and just call it like index.js or something. Or sorry, ts.
All right.
Okay, and then just do console.log and then just do like hello world or something.
Hello. Hello. Oh wait, you know what? This is my thing. The ping pong.
Okay.
Except I don't have a bot to respond with Pong, so it's just me.
Save real quick.
Okay, it's all. Yeah, it's all saved. Okay.
Okay, and then do
just
npx.
Just for why won't it load? All right. Sorry. What?
Well, as I say, watch it just end up loading, and then just do npx tsc again.
TSC.
Yep, and hit enter.
Okay.
Okay, and now go to your distribution folder.
Okay.
There you go. So click on it. So see what I mean by it translates it. I mean, you can't really see because it's the exact same thing, but it also made it strict.
Interesting.
So just for an example,
All right.
go ahead and open your. We're gonna make this really simple real quick. Go ahead and open your index.ts that you or index.j the index.js. Yeah, open them side by side.
All right. There's JS and there's TS.
Okay, and then just go ahead and drag the TS file over to the side so that it opens in like a dual pane.
Couldn't I just hit Control A and copy all or something? Is that where we're leading to?
Kinda, yeah.
All right. So what do you want me to do?
Yeah, basically that.
Okay. Okay. That's all right. Here, I'll even keep the ping pong console.login.
Okay. So as you can see here,
Oh my god. It is not happy.
yep.
Oh, interesting. So I have to like actually make this
You had to
Interesting.
conform it to type. Yeah, you had to type conform it to typing. So for like
I
the
don't even know what type this is.
all right, so go ahead and take down the console real quick because we got a little bit before. Okay.
Oh, that's making it
so,
bigger.
Ooh,
There we go.
it's the exact opposite. Okay. All right, so let's start from the. Is this the first function?
Mock and this is the first one, async func mock JSON import. Or do you mean like first like in the whole thing? Like
Yeah,
from top to
yeah,
bottom?
I was just gonna go top to bottom.
Okay, well right table then is the first on top to bottom.
Okay, so object, that looks just like a plain old object. So after the J.
Oh, after.
Oh yeah, no, this is welcome to Typescript. Do a colon, and then this is where you specify. So for this, it's gonna be lowercase object.
Okay.
And then table. Let's see, get by ID. That's gonna be a
String.
I think. Yeah.
That's an
So
interesting
it's
way to do it. Like, I kind of get it. So I mean, like, you don't need any spaces or anything like that. But like, why not just have a space at that point? But whatever. I don't know. I'm such
um
a C sharp baby.
okay, so it's saying object.entries
It's possibly null.
actually null. Yep. So what you're going to do here? Wait, it's saying object.entries is possibly null, or is it saying
Oh,
object?
that's uppercase O.
Yeah, object is like the static for
Oh,
here.
interesting.
Um, entries does not exist on type. Do you need to change your? Oh, hey, yeah, go to your TS config real quick.
Oh, okay.
Sorry, like it's been a minute since I've actually like started one of these from scratch.
On what
Uh,
lib?
yeah, your TS config. You're gonna look for target use where it says target.
Oh, target.
Yeah. Real quick. Typescript.
To ES 2017 is what it says on here.
Yeah. Let me pull open my example project.
Yeah,
here.
it went away.
Oh.
Can I just
I'll
do
close my
this?
laptop.
Oops. Can you do that? No.
So you can do the I think it's called the Elvis operator or null coalescing. You can do question mark period, but not for assigning.
Oh, gotcha. Interesting.
So what you'll need to do is you'll need to verify that element is not null. So you can either do if you
Oops.
can
Eh,
yeah you
No.
can do if
Struggling. Fucking stop auto-correcting it. Jeez, I didn't mean to swear so much. Oh, it doesn't let you... Oh, yeah. Okay, that's good. What
and
is the problem?
what's it saying there?
Does not exist on type string. Property CSS does not exist on type string.
Interesting.
Inner HTML.
Is that what
That's
that
not a
was before?
string, though. Is it? Inner HTML? Yeah, that'd be a string. No.
Yeah.
Is
I
it?
thought I'm pretty sure it is.
Does it say on here? Yeah, string. Any. Interesting. Huh. What is the options? I guess it doesn't have any. Rip.
See how nice TypeScript is with IntelliSense though? Like
Yeah. Yeah,
yeah.
it's just buggering everything up, but yeah.
Yeah, you'll have to take off the l.innerhtml.css.
Just take it off.
Yeah, you'll have to take it out because it'll fail to compile with an error.
So, like, what is this even doing?
I don't know.
Is this not applying the CSS? Or is that like... Whatever, let's just
Oh
take it
no,
out
that,
for now.
yeah, that doesn't do anything. Inner HTML is just a string attribute that works with the DOM API.
String. Is this version also a string?
Yep.
Okay.
They're all strings. We're all strings here.
Yay. And out is also a string. Or, yeah, whatever. Okay. Now it looks like everything.
Okay. Go ahead and save and run your npx.tsc or npx.tsc. Enter.
Yep. Runs without
Okay.
errors.
Go over to your distribution
Okay.
and make sure it's all up to date.
Looking good.
Yep. See how it literally just changed it to what you had before. It just stripped out all the stuff. Isn't that fun?
I'm sure it's more useful going forward rather than...
So here. Let's actually get some typing up in here.
Okay.
All right. So go back to your index.tsc.
Okay.
All right, and we're gonna model. Go up to the top there. We're gonna model out the Unity scripts. Okay.
Okay.
So, excuse me. Do interface.
Okay.
Unity script. Just,
What's the naming convention for this?
Camel case, but it's since this is an object of sorts, it's going to be uppercase camel case.
I think that has a name.
Yep, that's a name.
No, no, no. I'm saying like, is that what it's called? Uppercase camel case? I thought it was called something else. If it
I don't
starts
know.
with an uppercase letter.
I came up with it just now, so I
Oh,
don't
okay,
know.
okay, okay. We'll just roll, we'll go with that. Uppercase camel case.
Yep, uppercase camel case. All right,
There.
and then yeah, just do your curly brackets like you're gonna be making like an interface or a class,
Okay.
right? And then do library. Or actually, what do you have here? You have library, because I'm trying to model it off of your Unity scripts here.
Library is the
All right,
name.
so the yeah, so library smooth. Okay, so this is gonna be a little bit different than what I had originally told you it was going to be. So go ahead and take out everything we just wrote, the interface, Unity script, and everything. Leave Unity script though.
Oh my god.
Okay. Change it to
What do you want from me?
I'm working on it. Where it says interface, type, change it to type. All right, and then come over and then do equal sign. And this syntax is a little crazy. So I'm gonna send you an example of it.
Okay. Okay. That might work better with examples.
So you're gonna do something along the lines.
Let me put you over here so I can like keep you in a good sized window. I'll do that, and then I'll do that, and that. Okay.
All right. So what we're gonna do here is make it a little bit more descriptive. So where it says key, change that to like project name or something. This is literally just for you to look at.
Okay.
And then where it says any, replace that with two curly brackets.
Oh.
Right. And then you're going to put in link.
Link.
Yep. Colon string, comma, version. Do those resolve to be numbers? The 1.0? I'm guessing they do. Yeah, and then version is going to be a number.
Yeah. I guess so, but like the issue with that though is that what if I want to use major, minor, and patch, where it would be
Yeah,
like
so you would
this.
have to you would want to change this to strings then, and in that case, your
You know what? Let's keep it. Let's keep it with an integer. What's wait? Int doesn't work.
nope, it's a number.
Number. Okay. Too good for integer, I guess.
Yeah. So if you so if you leave it as number, it's not going to you're not going to be able to do your major, minor, and revision.
That's fine because I think I just want to do it like just incrementally and just leave it at that.
Okay. So now we'll go down
Okay.
to where you're calling Unity scripts.
Okay, here we go.
Okay. So in front of the UN point result, do a colon.
In front of it.
Yep.
Okay, colon.
You know what? I'm stupid. Behind it.
Okay.
And then do your Unity, whatever you just named it.
All right, Unity script.
Let's see, what's it saying? Mm-mm. You're gonna have to hover over it. Oop, nope. Control Z it. Control Z it.
Fine. Fine.
We're too far in.
String is not assignable to type whatever. Type string is not assignable to type Unity script.
Hold up.
Wait, does this need to be
Oh, it needs to go in front of object.
in front of object?
Sorry, I was looking over this really quickly.
Oh.
Because what you're doing here is you're using mock JSON endpoint to return out. Out is going to be a string because you're passing in a variable.
Right,
So,
this
yeah,
is
it's gonna be
parsing
like
it
that.
out as that, and then
Yep.
this can read it.
So now just as an example, drop down one line after you've assigned object.
Okay.
Or obj. and then just do object dot. Well, no, you're gonna have to actually, okay, do standard brackets. Oh no, it's gonna be obj and then standard brackets.
Okay.
All right, and then you're going to want to use a string of one of the things that's up in your stuff. So like library, right? And then hit a like you're gonna be using it, so just put a dot in it.
Oh, interesting. Nice.
So let me explain that syntax that's up there real quick.
That's pretty cool. So it's
Where
like treating it as
where
like
you
a array, but like you're using or dictionary.
so yeah, it's the syntax that we did up there with the curly bracket and then the inner square bracket. So that's just going to say that this is going to be an object that its keys are going to be strings.
Okay.
And for each of these strings, the value of that key inside of this is going to be an object with a link and a version, and then that's your typing there.
Nice. So I can I do that infinite layers, like as many layers as I want to in that format?
Mm-hmm.
Cool. Okay.
So even if you, so just an example here. So go back up. Since we have the same type of formatting for the Python scripts, let's make a new line underneath the Unity script type.
Oh, right.
And this one we're going to do interface and just name it something like project details or something. All right, and then do your curly brackets and then the same information there. So link colon string comma version colon number.
Link string like that.
Yep. You can do it either way. You can do it with the line endings with the semicolon, or you can do commas. So what you're going to do now is up where you have that in the Unity script line, take off that inner curly bracket area, and then replace it with project details.
Oh.
Yeah, take off those curly brackets too. And then project details does the same thing, but now you can reuse that thing that's inner elsewhere.
Nice. I will actually probably format this in a way where it's using these by default and just change like this.
So the important thing to remember about TypeScript is all of this is just modeling how the data is going to look.
Interesting.
It's not actually changing anything about it. So if the model's incorrect, TypeScript will be like, hey, this isn't right, and you're going to change the model. Or if the data is incorrect from how you've modeled it in TypeScript, you're still going to get like undefined or null pointers.
Interesting. So now I should so I guess my next question is, how do I point this just to a file instead of this mock endpoint?
Okay. That is a little bit of a bigger question here.
Really? Interesting.
Because if with JavaScript you can use the file input stream, or the file reader, but I don't think browsers can use the file reader straight off the bat. I think there's a security thing there that they don't let them use, because technically it's weird. So let me see here.
Because if you could do that, theoretically, you could just edit the script on your end and access the server's files.
Yeah, but the server is providing all these anyway, so it's not that big of a deal if you think about it.
Yeah, so interesting.
Because technically, if there's anything that would be protected, you would have some sort of like endpoint protection on it. Because that's why you can't really like quote unquote hack the JavaScript or anything, because it's just all there for you to look at anyway. So yeah, let me take a look here. Let's see, read server file JavaScript.
You know what? You know what? I hate to say it, but we might have to end it here.
Oh,
I think we made good progress setting it up and getting this model set up, but I have prior commitments that I have to attend to.
gotcha. All right, so just know that this is not fully powering your site yet because it's not in place of the index.js that was there
Right.
before.
Yeah.
But yeah, so yeah, hopefully you can see a little bit of what it's going to be doing to set up.
Yeah. And if you got any resources for TypeScript, please send them my way. I'm I'm
Hmm.
I'm good at googling stuff, but you know what the good stuff is.